Meaning of dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike. A dirt bike is a type of motorcycle designed for off-road use, typically used in motocross racing and other competitions. They are characterized by their lightweight construction, rugged frames, and high-travel suspensions that allow them to handle rough terrain and jumps. Dirt bikes often feature knobby, all-terrain tires, as well as powerful engines and brakes designed for quick acceleration and maneuverability. Whether racing or simply exploring the great outdoors, dirt bikes offer riders an exciting and challenging way to experience the thrill of off-road riding.